Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kabor Sanchar District jong East Khasi Hills kada penjur ya ka Special Intensive Revision arhajar apunrio jong ka thup kerteng ki no the vote ha kaba labo ya ka khatra tarik ubanai naitung kum ka tarik balabu thong bansam batlum ya ki enumeration form u district election officer ubadeiru u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills u Abhilash Baranwal u IAS Ula Hiar Dalade man petbnia ekajing ya chakmat jang kajing penrung kerteng nakaway kayeng shakaway pat u district election officer u badeiru u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district u Abhilash Baranwal IAS Ula Hiar Dalade ban let petbnia ya kajing ya chakmat jang kajing penrung kerteng nakaway kayeng shakaway pat kayeng da kabalet senran lang bat pet ya ka Jingtreikam jang ki booth level officer bat ki BLO supervisor hakeleng ka constituency ka district Haba Granchi kila pathai kubor wa Abhilash Baranwal ula kerpa dia baro ki nong thep vote ki bala penrum kerteng bakin det chala ki jong ki jaka thep vote ha ka khatra tarik banai naitung klem dakhen la ki dei ki basa menta ha ka than bakin shim ya ki enumeration form jong ki lani ban IT ki form bala pendap bha shaki BLO ula batha ru ya baro ki BLO bakin sa ha ki jaka thep vote baro shisngi banirap ya ki nong thep vote ubaranwal ulo ong bakajing dai Jurip ka long ru ban song tho igijing e baki BLO ki kendo hakapor baki let chi ki yeng gisem bat ban bishar bania kumno ki pen bet igijing e bat kijing so tho bakla jong ki pat ba ki badon saw dong jong kajing Jingtreikam ya ka SIR kat ba ki dang te ya kajing shania ha ki nong thep vote haba pen pa ya kajing kemen halor kajing kiyo hado menta u laong baki BLO ki long ki bapen tepet bha bat ki batre hok ki kamram ki jong ki ulapan pau kajing skokmen bakapor Sanchar district kan pendep ya baro r kajing sam bat kajing penlong digital ya baro ki enumeration form hapo kapor balabu
We have asked BLOs to be at the polling station because we understand that many of the electors may not be actually residing in the locality as we speak. So it is very imperative that they should take advantage of this opportunity, whether you are living in that locality, we are not living in that locality, as long as you are registered as a voter in that polling station. We request you to kindly take advantage of this. Come to your polling station. The BLOs will be there because we have asked them to be there, and they must collect their enumeration forms. And simultaneously, if the enumeration form was submitted or distributed to their households, they should ensure that these enumeration forms duly filled should be deposited to the BLO on 18th. So the exercise will carry out till 29th, but to be able to, because BLOs are also emburdened with this, I mean, they have a huge target also. They have to cover the entire polling station within 1 month. So they have to further digitize the forms and everything. So that's why we are asking voters to come forward so that by 18th at least this distribution of enumeration form is completed. The collection of enumeration form is completed because they have to be digitized as well. Digitization is something that is going on simultaneously. However, we have fixed a target of 18th by which we want all the forms to be distributed. So again, through media, my humble request and appeal to all the electors of East Khasi Hills that they must take advantage of this opportunity. Visit your polling station on 18th. If you have already received the enumeration form, deposit it to the BLO. If you have not received it, please come and collect and try and ensure that it is deposited by 18th itself. The purpose of the visit was to understand that how BLOs are performing, what are the challenges that they are facing, and whenever they are visiting houses, what all exercises they have to carry out, because there's a lot of apprehension around SIR as well. So how they are assuaging the voters regarding the entire exercise and how they are able to build that confidence with the electors so that there is no problem and so that the entire exercise is carried out in a meticulous and diligent manner. So I'm very happy with the way the BLOs are going about it. They look well trained, and the entire process of helping out with the SIR process and providing that assistance to the electors is going on as we have asked them to. Absolutely, absolutely. So we are very confident that within the stipulated deadline, we'll not only be able to distribute all the forms, but we'll also be able to digitize all the forms. And speaking of the timeline, we have already issued an order wherein we have asked all BLOs to be present within the polling station on 18th of July. So through media, we also want to request all the electors of East Khasi Hills district that they should take advantage of this opportunity, wherein we are asking them to come to the polling station, collect their enumeration forms, and simultaneously submit the enumeration forms that have already been given to them. So I can speak of yesterday's data because today's data is yet to be tabulated. Till yesterday, we had distributed 68% of the enumeration forms, and simultaneously digitization is also being carried out.